Finra? What doing, Finra? What do we have here? SR Finra 2021-029. Self-regulatory organizations. Finra, notice of filing of a proposed rule change. Thank God it's not effective immediately. To amend Finra Rule 6732 and expand the scope of exemptions that Finra may grant alternative trading systems from the trace reporting requirements. A little bit of background. Generally, Rule 6730 requires that each FINRA member that is a party to a transaction in a trace-eligible security, which is a debt security that is a U.S. dollar denominated security and is issued by a U.S. or foreign private issuer, and if a restricted security as defined in Securities Act Rule 144A3, it is sold pursuant to Securities Act Rule 144A. It is also issued or guaranteed by an agency as defined in paragraph K, and it is a U.S. Treasury security as defined in paragraph P. So basically, what they're going to be doing is normally they have to report this trace eligible security within a period of time prescribed in the rule. Now, what they're planning on doing is amending it to expand the scope of transactions that may be exempted under the rule to include trades that involve only one FINRA member other than the alternative trading system. So Finra has observed basically that transactions on an alternative trading system that involve only one member are otherwise similar to the transactions that are currently eligible for exemption relief under Rule 6732. Badass, Finra. So more crime is being allowed. That's great. They believe it's appropriate to expand the eligibility of criteria for Rule 6732 to include transactions between a member and a non-member because where parties clear directly with each other, these transactions can present the same operational challenges for members as trades between two members, and granting the exemption with regard to these types of trades would not compromise transparency because such transactions will continue to be trade reported by members and disseminated by FINRA in accordance with existing rules. Moreover, exempt trades would be disseminated by FINRA in a more streamlined manner because there would be one, rather than two, disseminated trade reports in connection with the transaction on the alternative trading system. So, in addition, the other conditions for the exemption would continue to apply, including that the requirement that any alternative trading system granted as an exemption must enter to a written agreement with each member that is a party to a transaction with respect to exempted trades. So stop exempting trades, guys. Like, just, you know what? Fuck it. Keep the crime up. Let's go, Brandon. Let's do it.